Hello, teachers. Firstly, my first name is Thomas and my last name is Ryan. Also, I am 12 years old. Secondly, my nationality is Chilean and my profession is to be a scientific. And my university is Stanford. Also, I am main research in Oceania. Firstly, my park is located in Tanzania and the capital city of Tanzania is Dodoma. Furthermore, Tanzania is a democratic republic. Its population in Tanzania is 57 million. Secondly, Tanzania main imports are refined oil, packaged medicines, and hands oil. Then Tanzania main exports are gold, raw tobacco, and coffee. Firstly, the name of my national park is Mount Kilimanjaro, and the Park National covers an area of 1,688 square kilometers. Also, there are 20 rangers approximately. Secondly, the most relevant animals of Mount Kilimanjaro are three hyrax, the great duiker, and Cape buffaloes. Furthermore, the most relevant species in my park are Juniperus procera, Podocarpus latifolius, and Agenia abyssinia. One of the characteristics that identifies the park is that it is one of the largest in the world and has three main volcanic peaks are that are Kibo, Awensi, Shira, and there is a fourth peak that is ultra prominent on here. Well, one of the main dangers is that the volcano that has four peaks. The fourth is on the surface and is known for the famous ice fields that melt. This peak is like the base of the volcano itself. If if melts, it will be a catastrophe for the inhabitants and and for the world because it is one of the highest volcanoes in the world. Firstly, I climbed the Shira peak that belongs to the volcano and I took pictures that were spectacular. Then I in the park that I saw many buffaloes and I also saw an animal called the great duiker, which is a king of their but thinner and smaller. And the animals that I did not see but I had to see were the lions because I was surprised not not to see one and and the koalas because I was wanted to hug one. Secondly, I saw a tribal chief on a tour and he was very nice because he also took me on a tour of several beautiful places and I went to a very good restaurant called Jay's Kitchen. And the food was delicious. I remember that I went several times, just like the fried chicken they had because it was delicious. I had hamburgers there because it is one of my favorite foods. And well, there what is drank was a lot mango juice. Finally, I will make a rule in the park that would be to prevent people from contaminating the park. With this you call also implement the action of recycling and reusing your waste to avoid dirtying the park. And to finish, it is very important because if we destroy these beautiful parks, be polluting, we will be giving future generations a dirty and ugly planet. Thank you very much for listening to me, and sorry for the lie.